Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update or change your name in Ring. So let's go ahead and open the Ring app which is in your phone. Now go to the drop down menu and go to Account Settings. You can click on your first and last name. It will take some time and you can click Update. Now you should go ahead and enter your username or your email and password. Let me show it to you again. Go to the drop down menu, go to Account Settings, click on first and last name, and then click on Update in the name section. Now for authentication, Ring will ask you your email address and password. Type in your email, password and press Continue. An OTP code will be sent to the phone number with which you have registered your Ring account. Copy the OTP code and paste it in this box over here. After you paste it, click on Verify Code. And then you can change your name. Write down your first name and then your last name. Now click on Save. And there you go. Your name has been updated. This was a video on how you can update your name in Ring. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.